Hey makers, this is Dhruveen, and in this session I am going to talk about how you can activate Power Apps community plan for your user. Sometime as a developer you want to test ALM process from one environment to another environment. At that time this licensing is very helpful. Now let me show you how you can activate community plan for your user and show me the advantages and limitations for that account. Before that, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, do follow me on my Instagram because it is the platform where I am uploading different short content related Power Platform. So let's get started. Now, what you can achieve with the Power Apps developer plan? With the developer plan, you can create Power Apps and flows in your environment same as you are doing with the trial thing. So now, how you can activate for that licensing? Let me show you. This is my web.powerapps.com, and over here you can see I only have one default environment. Now when I activate my community plan, I would have one another dedicated environment for my user Dhruvin, and this is per user environment, right? So for that you need to go to powerapps.microsoft.com, click on the pricing option. This will redirecting you to this page. Scroll down and over here you will find an option explore Power Apps for free and click on learn more. That will redirecting you to activate Power Apps developer plan. Over here there is an option get started free and existing user add an environment. So I am choosing a second option, that is add a dev environment, because I already have one trial activated for Power Apps and which is with the user of this one. Now let me just click on add a dev environment. Now it is asking me for country to begin with and click on accept. And it is showing almost there we are working to configure your licenses. It is because I already logged in with my Power Apps account over here, and that's why it's taken its context over here. And here we are. It has created the environment for me, and over here there is a warning that this is a developer account and not meant for the production use. And over here if you open up your environment, you are able to see Dhruvin Shah's environment. So earlier when we opened our Power Apps and opened up this environment panel, we only had this one. But now after activating the licenses, we have two different environment. One is our default environment and another one that we have created with our community plan. And now when we click here in setting here and check on plans, you are able to see that there is one plan activated here which is Power Apps community plan. And this Power Apps community plan, you can create same application flows, everything over here. It will also provide you the additional Dataverse storage where you can create your Dataverse table and everything over here. Now let me talk about some important limitation for this developer plan. So let's say if you are developing some Power Apps and if you want to share that with other user from the same tenant, with this developer tenant you are not able to do that. However, you can build your application into apps, or maybe you can create the app in the solution and you can share the solution with others. That is the one thing that you can do. Also you can import and export your Canvas app as well. So after developing the things you can move that to your another environment by exporting and importing procedure. Another important thing is you cannot create data flows with this community plan. Also, for the flow, you are not able to create business process flow with the help of community plan. So these are the few considerations that you need to take in mind before you get started with the community plan. So hope this trick is helpful to you to activate your developer plan. If you have any question related to this developer community plan, feel free to add your question in the comment section. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. With this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session with some amazing content. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.